Chulas in rural India.
The traditional chulas used in rural India cause a lot of air pollution, which has led to severe health issues. This problem has been reinforced by the poverty in rural India, as they're not able to purchase any other type of stove. Our product aims to reduce the indoor air pollution while also remaining inexpensive and staying true to their traditional design.
This is our first concept, the improved Chulha with smoke sewer system. The sketch is to the right.
It's beautiful.
This concept consists of several ideas. The furnace Chulha, air pockets, an air blower, a smoke sewer system, and a vent filter. The product will be operated by putting the fuel, which is biomass or the fuel wood, in the open door of the furnace Chulha. This fuel will then burn and cook whatever food needs to be cooked, and then the smoke that is captured in this Chulha will be pushed out by the air blower into the pipe, and the smoke will be released through the vent and through the filter into the outdoors. This idea is mediocre because it meets almost half of the criteria. It's inexpensive, durable, versatile. It filters out the pollutants. It is simple to use, and it can be out of the way. It is inexpensive because the materials that are used can easily be found and are cheap. The materials are also durable, and it can be moved in multiple places, therefore it's out of the way, and it is not hard to use a Chulha. The criteria it fails is that it is not traditional, it is not portable, it is not insulated, and it is difficult to install. It is not traditional because it is made out of a material that is not clay or mud. It is not portable because it is installed in the ground, and the metal is not insulated. And it's difficult to install because the trench must be dug to install the pipe where the smoke is filtered out.
The second concept is our unique idea, and it's a portable range hood. The parts of this concept include adjustable legs on all four sides, fans, a filter, and a chimney. In order for this product to be used, the adjustable legs are set around a traditional chula, and then the chula is used just as usual, but as the emissions get released from the chula, they're sucked in through the fan. The smoke sucked through the fan then travels through a filter, which is released through a chimney. Though this product does not meet all the criteria, it does filter out pollutants. It doesn't affect the traditional design of the chula. It's also versatile, portable, it's easy to install, and it's also simple to use. Because it doesn't affect the traditional design, people will be more likely to implement it. And since it can be moved anywhere with the adjustable legs over any chula, it's versatile and portable. It does fail to be out of the way, inexpensive, insulated, and durable. It's not inexpensive because many of the parts, like the filters and the fans, can become expensive, especially because the people in rural India do not have a lot of money to buy it with. And it's also not very durable with the materials used.
Okay, so this is our third concept. It's our modification, and it is a PM 2.5 filter. This filter goes on top of the chula, and it filters out the PM 2.5. It has adjustable metal rods and an elastic ring, so it can fit and be used on multiple types of chulas. So the elastic ring fits around the opening of the chula where the smoke is escaping, so it can capture and filter out the PM 2.5. The metal rods make it durable and adjustable, so it can last a long time and be used on a variety of chulas. The PM 2.5 filter captures the harmful pollutants, so it can reduce health problems, and make the pollutants more safe for the environment. And additionally, it can be cleaned and reused a lot, so they don't have to purchase it multiple times if it breaks. So the criteria that this solution meets, first, it does maintain tradition because it incorporates the chulas that they already use. The filter can be put on any of the chulas that they already use, which is traditional. Second, it is inexpensive as the only materials it is produced with are metal, elastic, and the filter, which is an existing patent in the market and is not expensive, so they can purchase this with their current resources. Third, it's durable because it's made out of metal. It will not be damaged by use, so it can be used for a long time. Fourth, it's versatile. As I described earlier, it can be put on multiple types of chulas. And it is portable because it is a small device that can be carried around. It does filter out the pollutants as it's using an existing patent that has been proven to work. It does fail. It may not be easy to use depending on what type of chula they have, but this cannot currently be known as it has not been developed a prototype yet. It is not insulated, but that does not necessarily mean that it is difficult to or unpleasant to touch as it gets hot. It's out of the way. It's out of the way because, or it's not out of the way because it gets put on top of the chula, so it's right in the way of what they're doing.
Thank
you for watching.